How to make $1,000 a day. Making $1,000 a day consistently requires a combination of strategic planning, hard work, and possibly some initial investment. Here are a few methods you can explore. 1. Start a profitable online business. Consider launching an e-commerce store, creating and selling digital products, or offering online services. Identify a niche market, develop a strong marketing strategy, and provide value to your customers. 2. Invest in the stock market. Educate yourself about stock trading and investment strategies. While it requires knowledge and careful decision-making, successful stock trading can yield substantial profits. Be aware that there are also risks involved, so it's important to approach it with a well-informed and calculated approach. 3. Real estate investing. If you have capital to invest, real estate can be a lucrative option. Research local markets, learn about property valuation, and consider rental properties or house flipping. Real estate investments can provide both short-term and long-term returns. 4. Become a freelancer or consultant. Leverage your skills and expertise by offering freelance services in your field. Platforms like Upwork and Freelancer can help you find clients. Additionally, consider offering consulting services to businesses or individuals seeking your knowledge. 5. Create and monetize a popular blog or YouTube channel. Find a niche that you are passionate about and create engaging content through blogging or video creation. Once you have built a significant following, you can monetize your platform through advertising, sponsorships, or selling products. 6. Develop a mobile app or software. If you have programming skills, consider creating a mobile app or software that solves a problem or meets a need in the market. Monetize it through app sales, in-app purchases, or advertising. Remember, achieving consistent earnings of $1,000 a day may not be immediate, and it will require time, effort, and persistence. It's vital to conduct thorough research, develop a solid business plan, and adapt your strategies based on market feedback. Try any one of these ventures that you would be interested in, and good luck.